Hi, welcome. We are back out at Trilogy Sunstone today. We are taking a look at the Flourish Floor Plan, which is 1817 square feet. This is the largest floor plan in the Freedom 35 collection. And well, why are we out here today? Well, I'm specifically going to give you a tour of this beautiful floor plan. And then we actually have a brand new listing here at 10089 Honey Rose, cul-de-sac home site of the Flourish floor plan, completely move-in ready and never been lived in. But before we do that, I'd love to share with you all the details about this incredible floor plan. And well, let's get into it. This is your Vegas Confidential. Just before, this is the Flourish floor plan, 1817 square feet. What's nice is the largest of the Freedom 35 collection. And at 1817 square feet, lays out really nicely. I do love the fact that you have 3 bedrooms plus a nice office or den space. This one is done, of course, because it is the model. It has all the built-ins. But I want to show you ultimately what you could possibly do with this floor plan, of course, after purchasing it. I love that it opens up into a really good size, great room, kitchen. And then I do like that your dining's over here. Kind of gives it a little bit of separation. And I really like how this is done as well. This is cute. Oh, it's actually quite comfortable. So my client actually did quite a bit of upgrades in his home as well. So I'm excited for you to see it. Here is your great room space. And what I do really like is you have the nice sliders out here. Now my client actually has sliders that go all the way across. This one has the window. I think that's kind of like a personal preference. But I do like the nice outdoor space here as well. And of course, here you've got a beautiful water feature, but they always do really nice things in the models. So on Thursday, this past week, I did drop a video really talking all about Trilogy Sunstone and if it's the right fit for you. We are out here, of course, at the 95 and Sunstone Parkway. This community is already 3/4 done. It's been building for about 5 years. To be clear, at time of filming, the only option to get a Flourish floor plan would be from building from the ground up. If you don't want to wait that long, if you love this floor plan and you're interested in getting into something sooner, then absolutely, then 10089 Honey Rose would be really worth a look for you because, of course, it's been completed and has never been lived in. So if you've been considering Trilogy Sunstone and wondering if it's right for you, well, I have a quiz that you can take. It is 8 questions that really helps decide which part of our valley and which type of community is going to fit you best. Would you like to be in an active adult community? Well, then absolutely Trilogy Sunstone should be on your list. But just in case, let's make sure. So go ahead, QR code is right here. Go ahead and scan that. Go ahead and take the quiz. It just takes a couple of minutes and will really help you decide where in our Las Vegas Valley is right for you. And that is at vegasconfidentialquiz.com. Let's find your Vegas. Okay, what I do really like about this floor plan, and I'm going to point it out when we're out at the property as well, is I like a lot of, for just 1,800 square feet, this really offers some nice separation between the spaces. So here is your primary bedroom. This is a very comfortable size, I think. This is obviously a pretty large bed, but it feels very comfortable for the amount of square footage the home is. Good size primary bathroom. You have your dual sinks here, and I like the little extra space, the extra storage you get right here. And then it does have a good sized closet, which, as you know, is very important to me. And then, as I said earlier, you have 2 other bedrooms, but they're nicely separated. And there's some really nice attention to detail as well. As I said earlier, this is not a very large home, but I still really like the fact that as you walk into the primary, you have like a little bit of a vestibule right here. So it just offers some privacy. And then maybe you're still working. If you want this done as an office or a den space, then you have a nice sized front bedroom. I like this. It's pretty. I really like the window detail as well. The floor plan that we're going to go look at in the field actually is a little bit different, but I really like the fact that there's some nice design elements throughout Trilogy Sunstone. Oh, Peter, actually, just go ahead and peek your head in here. So here you have a full bath. But wait, there's more. You have another space over here that can be a bedroom because it does have a closet and a window. This one, of course, doesn't have the door, but obviously this can be a third bedroom space or a flex space if you prefer that. And then you have your laundry right here. This also comes complete with a 2-car garage. This is really one of the better floor plans, I think, out here at Trilogy Sunstone, 1817 square feet. And really just a lot of ways that you could lay this particular home out depending on works best for you. And of course, now you have the opportunity to purchase it in a resale that, oh, by the way, has never been lived in. So let's go take a look. Welcome to 10089 Honey Rose. How pretty is that street name? And this is the Flourish floor plan, as we just saw in the model. And this one is completely done, completely move-in ready, beautifully updated. The seller did all of this as tile flooring. It has been sealed twice, actually. And as I said earlier, this home has actually never been lived in. And what I like too is it does offer that 3-bedroom floor plan, which I think a lot of people, even in 55 and over communities, really do appreciate. If you love, I mean, these are beautiful countertops, upgraded cabinetry, and really a home that is move-in ready and has never been used. And you even have a brand new Whirlpool refrigerator. So also very nice lot over here. Very private because there's literally nobody on this side of you. So we are at the end of the cul-de-sac here on Honey Rose, but still really close to all of the amenities. What I like is it's all the tile flooring really throughout. And then really nice carpet as well. I like all the colors that were chosen. And here you have your bathroom. They did the upgraded tile in the shower as well. They did a really nice job. I like all the detail here as well. And then you can see this is actually a nice size walk-in closet as well. And as I mentioned earlier, this is the 3 bedrooms. There's also a den, just over 1,800 square feet. I think this is sort of that sweet spot with the single family floor plans I think that the Flourish offers. If you don't want something smaller like the Dream floor plan, which is just over 1,600 square feet, but maybe you don't really need over 2,000 square feet. Here you have a nice den area, also done with the tile. Then you also have a front bedroom over here. Let's go take a look. Here is your front bedroom. And as I said earlier, this has never been lived in. You even have the chance to pick out, your ceiling fans, but all of your blinds are in. Here is your secondary bathroom here with the tub and shower. You do have really good size linen closet here. And then let me show you. You've got another closet over here with all of your smart system in here from Cox. Then what I really like too is I like that the bedrooms are nicely separated. Here's your washer and dryer already in. Again, same tile floor. Let's fit you out to the garage. And the garage floor has been sealed. Also, you've got a soft water loop ready for you. And of course, you have the tankless water heater. So really nice space. I like the finished garage. Okay, let's take a look at that 3rd bedroom. And this one, let's see, we get a little light in here. There you go. So this is another bedroom here. Obviously, you've got a closet over here as well. So there's really just a lot of nice spaces in this home. I also really appreciate the fact that you have a covered patio and all your landscaping is in. So all the headache of having to do anything after move-in is done for you. I like all these blinds too. These are really pretty. And then what's nice is these sliders are really across the entire back of the home. And then you have a really good sized yard here. And it's really quiet because we really are at the end of the community, super peaceful over here, and such a great location if you are considering a resale of the Flourish that's never been lived in. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the Flourish out here at Trilogy Sunstone, or of course the option for a beautiful resale with, by the way, I didn't mention earlier, the SID is paid off. So something to consider if you are considering a move to Trilogy Sunstone. There are so many great options out here. So thank you so much again for taking the time to watch our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.